Here's another quality vehicle offered by Randall No Auto Group.
Get noticed in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Visit Randall No Auto Group today. We're conveniently located at 1608 Westmore Avenue in Terrell, Texas.